Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Today, before Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim, wabinasnya wa amrutin yawadin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin, sayyidina wa maulana Muhammad wa ala alihi washabihi ajma'in. The next is Excellency for Aghanik and Muda of Director of Supercam Lari Benefida, and honorable for all my teacher and all my friends and all my family I'm beloved. In here, my name is Omar Hama. I'm right in 10th class high school Supercam Lari Benefida. I'm today and tonight. I'm to present that my imaginary map. The title is The Cause and Trigger of Sneezing. Trigger is sneezing is bersin, hatching. What is it? Sneezing. Sneezing is simple on involuntary release of air that helps because irritants in nose and throat. The next is allergies or a cold. And run from dirt, debris, even nasal and spray. This is a brake light and nose trauma. And then sneezing. The next is breathing cold air. This is irritants like dust. And the last is photic sneeze reflex. 30% in the man and 20 in the woman. The next is sneeze reflex. The sneeze reflex, this is a body complex machinist how to manifest and make the reaction happen. The next is before nasal lining irritation. This is a cilia of the cell. The last two different move signal cilia. The next is the before sneeze. The before sneeze is before sneeze. This is a compress your lungs and respiratory tract. Example, stroke your nose and high speed. But then the last in my imaginary map is I showed diaphragm moves and get the allergen to sneeze and trigger of the sneeze. I think enough. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.